Hi, this is a review of the orderIT trading system activity for April the 20th, 2022. We had 4 trades on that day, 2 were buys and 2 were short sells. First trade was RIO. That's Rio Tinto Group. Tripped at 12:54:56 p.m. at a price of 78.16. It was a buy. It closed the day at 78.58. It was down 2.63%, down 4.45% pre-market. So there was a possibility there, but as you can see, the stock itself appears to have been hit negatively. Excuse me. OBV looks good, a steady rise. Volume was moving up. Averages were moving up. Came up in the morning, down, and up in the afternoon. DI was up pretty much all day. That little bit of negative activity with positive combined in the afternoon, and then up in the afternoon. One around the same thing came up a little bit sideways in the afternoon. Well, stock technically was moving positive, so even though it was below its previous day. Next trade is APA. That's APA or APA Corporation. Tripped at 12:56:03 p.m. at a price of 44.57. It was a buy. It closed the day at 44.33, down 0.14%, down 0.63% here early morning. It's kind of interesting as I'm just looking up here, which they list out the activity for the markets, pre-market activity. We see NASDAQ and Dow are both up, but these are the two main ones, US based anyways, and the market's showing the activity of pre-market on the stocks I'm looking at are down, so interesting. Anyways, the stock did not stay above its tripping price, so let's have a look here at it. 12.56. Okay, so roughly around here, but you can see right afterwards it jumped up. Stayed up, so around 12.52. Well, can't because 12.58. 12.58. So 12.58 to 2:34, 12.58 for 1 o'clock. So we're talking 2.5 hours there where it was above its tripping price, which is a positive because there was all kinds of time to get out of that stock before you could see it came down below the tripping price. And take a look at the indicators. The volume, not too much, a little bit. It jumped up a little bit here when it tripped, but then the afternoon showed it dwindling down. MACD came up, down. It actually looks like it had a bit of a recovery in late afternoon. DI, yeah, up, and the slow activity here in the afternoon, which is where that drop is occurring, and back and forth here, and you see the end of the day close period looks like it's moving a bit negative, and then Bollinger Band, same thing, came up and then down sideways. So the stock did move a little bit positive, but somewhat neutral for most of the day. Next trade is VERU. That's VERU Incorporated, tripped at 2:30:10 p.m. at a price of 11.33. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 11.76, down 6.96%, up 0.09% early pre-market here. So you've got a reversal here going on. 2:30. So yeah, roughly around this point. Yeah, 11.28 was definitely down. 2:30. So just from the price activity of 2:30 to 3:44, talking an hour activity here where it was above its tripping or down below its tripping price. So that's a positive. As you can see, though, end of day it recovered and started moving positive again. Let's see if the stock indicators are showing that. Yeah, see, volume was down, and at the end of the day, volume shot up. Same thing, MACD down, and they shot up. DI down, end of the day shot up. Bollinger Band down, shot up. So the stock was moving negative, but just happened to be the end of the day, it just started recovering. Next trade is AAPL, and that of course is Apple Incorporated. Tripped at 2:40 p.m. at a price of 166.69. It was a 166.96. Excuse me. It was a short sell. It closed the day at 167.23, down 0.10%, up 0.81%. So basically recovered from its previous loss. That's pre-market. Now we got to see here 240. You can see it came down here, but 258, 240 to 258. It was down below its tripping price. Not consistently, but there was a good period here. Yeah. There's a good 10 minutes here where it was down below its tripping price. I say 10 minutes is my limit of time that I want to see it being positive. So that's another one. Excuse me. Take a look at the indicators to see what they're saying. Excuse me again. Okay, so you can see the tripping here happened here. Volume was coming down, then you can see it recovered. MACD, same thing. MACD's down morning, down during tripping period, but recovered. DI, same thing, down, but recovered. Well, moving a bit negative though, DI. And Bollinger Band, same thing, down, recovered. So the stock was moving regularly downwards during the day, and of course we caught it during the late afternoon period where it tripped. And there was enough time, not a great amount of time, for it to be positive. So that is, again, 100% of the stocks were positive, and another good day. I'll leave it at that. Thank you very much.